Hello, I'm launching the Progress app, but before we do that, I'm going to turn on the timer. We're going to do a 1 minute plank. Alright, 3, 2, 1, begin. Alright, the Progress app is going to be an app launched on the iOS App Store. It is a daily tracker for any passion projects that you may have. It may include coding for a backdrop build if you want. You can go to the gym daily, meditate daily, draw daily, whatever you want. So, yeah, I built this app because I personally need an app which can track my daily goals. And I know multiple people in my family and in my friends who are habit freaks like that. So, yeah. 40 seconds. Okay, architecture. It is a freemium model. You can track one activity for free, and then you pay for what you use. 55. It's built with Swift and Firebase. 1 minute. Okay, that's this thing done. That's my daily goal done. Now, let's use the app. So, this is the app. It should be on iOS App Store during the weekend, but yeah, so coding 35, sleep on time. Hey, we completed the 1 minute plank. There we go. So, it's a very easy way for you to track, and in the future we will be adding social features. A number of my friends were telling me that they wanted to use it to compete with others and everything. So, yeah. Welcome to the launch of Progress app. I hope you download it. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye.